Hello, some people have asked me how to make a easy prop in GTA 5. I usually don't like making videos, but for now I will try my best. Please don't judge if it's too bad. So we're gonna open up Blender first and Google Chrome just to search a texture first. I'm just gonna really easy go to what's it called? BMW logo, I guess, since it's in my I'm gonna just save this image as JPEG on my desktop in a tutorial, I guess, map, save it, and in that folder that we just made, I'm gonna rename this to BMW, and then we need to have the view enabled in details, so we can see that it's a JPG, right? JPEG or however it's called. We're gonna have to make that a DDS. What I like to do is use GIMP. But for the sake of making it easy for this tutorial, I'm going to just open up Google Chrome again. There's this website called Vertopal Free Online Converter. I'm going to convert this file that we just downloaded into a DTS file, which is done so. Convert again. Download. And then go to desktop, tutorial, and we're going to paste it again there. This time it's a DDS file, as you can see. That's what we need, for our texture. I'm gonna delete the GPG of however it's called again, just to make sure there's no trash in it. I'm just gonna add a cube after I delete everything, and this cube we're gonna add a texture. We're gonna first convert it to a drawable, right? Because obviously to be able to use this in GTA 5, we need to convert it to a drawable, and auto embedded collision has to be on when we press this button. We press the button. Now, as you can see, there's new collisions added, which is this one, and this is your original model. I'm gonna rename the cube to BMW cube. Make sure you don't use capitals because for some reason that kind of fucks things up sometimes. Now we going to the cube model, like your original model, right? We're gonna put the shader tools default, create shader material. So this is the texture template, I guess, how it's called. Now we do have the black thingy. It's black. When we hide the collision, you see it's black. This is your model. To be able to have the image shown instead of black, we're gonna put the image in here. Go to texture parameters in Solums in the material tab. Press this button here and go to your created DDS file, which we converted, right? Click on embedded, usage diffuse. Make sure again that your collision is off because otherwise you will not be able to see anything. We're going to shading because there's a bug. Usually you should be able to see the BMW right now, but you don't. Because again, it doesn't refresh in this view. I press texture, go to DDS again. Now it has put the texture on it. It doesn't look good, but that's to fix this. You have to use UV editing. We're not really getting into that in this video. For me, it's just important that you know how to make this a prop and put it in GTA 5. So we're not getting into UV editing, but maybe in a different video, I guess. So we're gonna put on the unhide the collision again, so that it looks white again. Basically, what it is collision is the thing that is invisible in game. You will not be able to see the white white thing, the texture. Basically, you should ignore this white part. You're gonna see the black logo, like the BMW logo. The reason why we have this is so that you cannot walk into the object, so that it has, you know, how's it called? I don't know how it's called. It's not important. I'm just gonna create collision now, and it's gonna be create collision material and concrete. Create collision material. It says concrete underneath, so that means the collision is applied. Now we're going to one step above to the BVH. Flag presets. General default is already selected, so I'm just going to press apply flag preset. It says its preset is applied. Close this up and press the start of your hierarchy, so like the first. Yeah, so that is both selected, right? Because these two are inside of this one. So I'm just going to select this one. Go to archetype definition. Press the plus button. I'm going to copy this and paste this here. You can give it any name you want, but I just like doing this. I press auto create from base, flags, and then static, archetype. There's nothing more that you have to do here, but I want to just point out, if texture dictionary is empty, you did something wrong with your textures. But if it shows, then probably it works. Now, when this is done, I put export y type, desktop, tutorial, and I'm just going to do export, and then export y type. I'm going to do the same thing for the YDR here. Tutorial, export, CodeWalker. Now what we have is this two YDR, one YDR and a Y type, plus a folder with the texture in it. That's what you need. Now we have this, but it's obviously an XML document. It's not going to be working in game, so we have to put it in CodeWalker first. You might not have a folder. I made a folder for myself, but you can create one by just creating, pressing on GTA5, going to show in Windows Explorer, and getting into the folder and just create a new folder. I don't gonna make one because I already have one. And find an empty workspace. I guess this one is fine. I can delete this. And I go to slide these into here. Drag them. Now we're gonna drag these same things back here. So we have also the Y type and the YDR instead of the XML. Now we can press this button here, the YDR, to test out our cube, and it works. Again, I just didn't UV edit it. It looks unnatural, but the point was just to make it work. Now this is how you make the cube, but now if you want to put it in game, I'm going to show that as well. So now you have your prop ready, but now you want to put it in game, let's say. We take the Y type and the YDR. We cut these and put them in here, because I don't want them to be mixed up with the XML. It just annoys me. And this one is unnecessary. I'm just going to put that there as well. We need these two, right? Now, what we're going to do, we're going to open up CodeWalker. I'm going to show toolbar right down here. Then press new. I'm going to press new here again. Go to map. You can give it any name you want. I'm going to just give it Odin BMW. And I'm going to open up by pressing this button the two files that we made, the Y type and the YDR. Open. Now it's imported into our project. Now we have named our YMap as well. Um, Now what we're going to do is ymap new entity. And now as you can see there's a alien egg here. We're going to just change this name from this prop to, I think it was BMW Cube, I think it was. Yeah, it is. Now I'm just going to put this on this building. I don't want to spend too much time for that, so wait 1 second. I'm just going to put it somewhere so that we can show you that it works. Just going to put it on this building, I guess. I'm just going to put it a little bit in the air so that, you know, it's showable. It can fly, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to put it like this. Looks fine. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to make a new folder and call this BMW box, I guess. Inside the folder, I make a stream folder. Inside the stream folder, I'm going to put these two files. I'm going to copy them and put them in the stream folder so that they are in the stream folder. Now, here we go to tools, no, wait. First we're going to calculate all flags, calculate all extents. We're going to save this ymap. Inside the BMW stream folder. And we're going to create a manifest by pressing this, tools and a manifest generator. Generate, save manifest. We're going to also save that. Now how it should look in here is we have the ymap, we have the manifest, and we have the prop, which is this one. That's all we need for here. Inside this folder there should be a fxmanifest file. I'm just going to copy one from a different project that I might have, if I can find one real quick, because it's always the same content, it's just a different location. I'm just going to copy this, go to my desktop and go into BMW box and paste this here. This is the only file that's not in your stream folder. What is inside this file? It's really short. It's just this. You can copy it. I will put it in the description. But you can also just write this yourself. It's not really much. FX version, JM GTA5, this is a map, yes. That's it. Anyway, so now that we've put that in, I'm ready to you know, put this in my game, in my server, copy, shortcuts, and then just paste it here for now. I'm just going to delete it later. And start my server. Wait, is XAMPP on? It's not. I'm going to start my server. When it starts, I'm going into Fivem. As I said from the beginning, I'm not a professional. It's just friends that ask me to make videos, so that's why I'm doing it. I'm sorry if there's like not user friendly or something, if there's mistakes. I'll try to answer questions if you put them in the description. So in the worst case scenario, you can just, you know, join Solemns and I'll try to explain from there. There's also a lot of people that help there, so it doesn't have to be me. Also, I suck at editing, so this video is gonna be just a simple screen recording. Okay, so where is the place where we're going at? It's somewhere around here. I think it was this building. This one. No, wait. Yeah, I kinda fucked up on that one. I don't know where it is. I know that this one was there, so it should be around. Good question. Let me see from CodeWalker. If it loads up real quick. Okay, I see that this is around.
What's a salad without cheese and Caesar dressing?
Way off. It should be around the right, like this. And then like this one. Yeah, this kinda sucks. It was a stupid mistake I made. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so that's your cropping game. Yeah, it also shows. Yeah, so that's how you do it. So, thank you for watching, I guess.